Hi guys! So today's the start of my YouTube channel, and before I can get to this and what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna have to go and get some camera equipment because I realized I can't hold the phone whilst doing stuff because I only have two hands. So we're gonna take the old Beamer and we're gonna go to the store and get some camera equipment. Fuck, this is gonna be expensive. Oh, hello there. So this is the start of my new YouTube channel. And to start it off, I'm going to go with a pretty grand build. I'm going to combine these two computers, right here, and put it into this one. Now, that might be a challenge because it doesn't really have compatibility with that, but we're gonna mod that. So I'm just gonna take the cover off and I'll show you. So anyway, as I said, we're gonna put these two computers, the whole set, everything is going into this PC. Both MITX motherboards, and I'm gonna arrange them in a 90-degree vertical order. So imagine the Corsair 1000D basically that way, but a lot more cramped. I'm gonna fit two PCUs down here, or I'm gonna get a really big one, maybe 1200 watts, 1400 watts, and do some own custom cables that split the 24 pin, etc. Although I'm not quite sure on that because I'm not sure the 24 pin can both supply this weak as motherboard and this X299 ASRock motherboard, because the CPU pulls a lot of power. Like, I can easily get it to 350 watts encoding some videos and stuff, and that's too much, I believe, for the 24 pin. Of course I also have the 8 pin CPU pin, but I believe they both draw current to supply the CPU. So I'm gonna have to do some more research on that before I can decide. The problem, however, is how I'm gonna wire up the pumps, because then one system has to be the main system that powers both pumps. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna do that, otherwise I'll just do one PC gets one loop. That would be a lot simpler. It will help a lot, because then I can just run one system, there's no need to run both, just to get some liquid flowing through the shit. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna switch to handheld mode, and we're gonna take some closer shots and I'll show you what I do. So basically what I'm thinking is I'm gonna grab the X299 top of the line Trace and Hobson motherboard, shove it into the ordinary place, the usual spot, you know. And then I'm gonna take that motherboard with some, I believe it's a 6700K i7, some 16 gig DDR4 and a 1060, and I will put it here. So I did some measuring. From here to here is around 20 centimeters, and MITX motherboard is 17 by 17 centimeters. So that should be able to work actually. I'm gonna have to cut up a lot here and do some modifying. Anyway, so that's basically what I'm gonna do. So 90-degree motherboard here, 90 here, and 240 at the bottom. I'll just grab a 30mm so it won't interfere with the motherboard. And I will modify under this so I can put fans under here instead of on top, because otherwise it will build up too much. So some modifying later, and I will be able to stick fans under here, radiator, and then the motherboard sticking out, maybe to that bit. I'll have a 240 in the front, and most probably a 360 in the back. So I'm thinking maybe the 360 can cool the CPUs, or maybe cool the lesser power hungry system, and the dual 240s can cool the overkill system, because it's a 7920X and down, under there. That's overclocked to 4.9 gigahertz. So yeah, that takes some cooling. Actually, these 240s are barely enough, because it takes a lot of heat to run the CPU. So yeah, that's basically it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna take all these components and I'm gonna rip them out. And first of all, I'm gonna have to empty out the liquid, which should be pretty easy because it's soft tubing. So I can just loosen the block, take it out, unscrew the fitting, pour out the fluid. Well, to be fair, I should be able to do that, but what do I know? And I'm gonna unscrew the CPU block. So these 4 ton nuts, just an EK supremacy block. And the final one, so I should be able to just... Oh! Well, that was very easy. Yeah, loosen this one. It's just some regular moonstone fittings with the silver plating. Perfect if you want to run just straight water, but I'm running some Mayhem's white in it. This is actually my girlfriend's PC with my components, but I made this water cooling loop for her because her stock Intel cooler was so loud, and I had the parts laying around, so whatever. Or whatever. Oh shit, what did I do now? Oh. That's not how you do it, man. You shouldn't do that like that. So basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna blow into this, and the pressure from my awesome lungs are gonna force the liquid out into the bin here. So we yeah, that's some antibacterial stuff right there. Oh, that's disgusting. Ugh. Did I mention that it's hot as fuck today? Holy crap. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and it's 27 degrees inside. This morning when I woke up at like 6 AM it was maybe 22 degrees in the apartment. We're not built to survive this, you know. Nothing in our Viking blood says that we need to live with this, but we still do, and it's bullshit. Come on then, come on. I know you want to. Yes! You son of a bitch. Oh yeah. Puke it out. Yes. I'm going to get the radiator now because I don't want to tilt the case over and hear a big splash. That would really ruin my day. Oof. Get it out. Ah! I got. Ouch! I work as an electrician, but every time I get a shock, I get a fucking heart attack. So now we're getting somewhere. Oh my god, it looks so empty. Yeah, he's ripped its heart out. Oh hey! You can see what I'm doing. Almost. So I cheaped out on the camera stand because I'm not made of money, and it only goes to like 125, I believe. You're gonna have to make do, use your fantasy. I think you'll be able to see adequate. So I'm gonna remove the USB 3 connector, SATA cables, big on foul friends, PSU connector. Oh hey, I am actually using a Cooler Master power supply in this build. I had forgotten about that. And we have the 4-pin CPU connector. Budget motherboards for life. We go. Now the motherboard is free, and we can remove the 4 motherboard screw. Also, I'm gonna have to get the Wi-Fi cables in the back here. So come back here. Come here. There we go. Yes. Beautiful. Oh, they're so tiny, but they can fit so much power. I love it. So yeah, that's it. What I have left is the power supply. which I'm not gonna film because that will involve a lot of swearing. So that's it for today. I have teared down everything. The PVC is out. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's all that you want. You want to throw this away and get some of that. I will continue in editing part 2 in the future when I have some more content to show. All I've done so far, a little sneak peek, is just installing the bottom motherboard. Okay, so if you like what you've seen, if you want to see more, maybe part 2 of the build, I recommend that you subscribe, like the video maybe, or leave a comment. It is all up to you. I promise I will read it, because I have, as of posting this video, 0 subscribers. Which is natural, since I have no videos on the channel. But it's coming, I'm editing it right now. Thank you.